This is the best glue, food grade, for cigar, for cigarette, and for any purpose that you can make by yourself at home. The main ingredients to make this is tapioca starch. Also, you will need spoon and a pot. Let's start to make it then. First, put the starch on the pot. Anyway, beside pot, you can use anything as long the function is the same to boil the tapioca starch. And for the tapioca starch, it's easy to get. Just go to your local store, they usually sell it, especially in a store that sell the ingredients for making cake. After that, we put clean water in the pot. Next, this is the most important part. You have to stir the water and the starch until they mix together well. If you don't, the glue will be not perfect. Just make sure that the water and the starch mix well. The next step is to boil it with a small fire. When we boil it, we have to stir it again and again until it becomes gel. If you still see the white starch in there, that means it is not perfect. You have to stir it again until all of them become glue. Now our glue is done. This glue is awesome. It's odorless, no bad aftertaste, and it's quite a strong glue. Anyway, another tips when you use this glue is don't use it after you store it for 2 days because the bacteria slowly will make this glue smells bad. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you. See you later.